This is it, the final boss of our intermediate Python series. Today, we're diving into two essential powers every dev eventually needs. Environment variables for hiding your secrets, and Python environments for keeping your projects isolated and dependency chaos-free. No more spaghetti installs, no more ModuleNotFoundError. Yes, you installed it yesterday. Let's wrap this up the right way. First up, your secrets. You don't want to hard code your API key into your script like this. Please don't. You'll accidentally push that to GitHub and bots will feast. Instead, store it as an environment variable. Here's how. In Terminal for Windows and for macOS Linux, or create a .env file in your project folder. You can load that file automatically in Python, and we'll get to that. Now that you've hidden the goods, how do you use them? With Python's OS module. If API key doesn't exist, os.getEnv returns none, so you can add a fallback. That way your script won't crash when the variable's missing. Useful in dev. Now, want to load that .env file automatically? Easy. Let's bring in python-dotenv. This library reads your .env file and loads the variables into your environment. Install it. Then in Python, boom! Secure, portable, and no more leaking secrets into version control. Okay, now these are also environments, but instead of storing secrets, you're isolating your libraries. Let's talk virtual environments. Every Python project has its own vibe. Maybe one needs Flask, the other one's Django, and your system Python just wants peace. So we isolate. You can create a virtual environment with. This creates a folder called venv, your isolated Python universe. In Windows, you can activate it with. For macOS Linux, you'll know it worked when you see venv before your terminal prompt. Now you can install libraries just for this project. And when you're done, it's like a sandbox. Everything inside is yours. Nothing leaks out. Here's a file. Inside the environment where requests is installed, it runs fine. Outside, you get. This is the magic of virtual environments. Clean installs, no dependency, drama. Now imagine you want to share the libraries you used in this environment with a coworker, or set it up again on another machine. You can create a requirements.txt file that lists every installed package. Then, on any machine or fresh environment, install everything in one go. Same libraries, same versions, no surprises. And no, emailing them the entire venv folder is not the same. Today, you'll learn how to securely store sensitive info using environment variables, and you built isolated Python environments to keep your projects clean and conflict-free. We covered everything from setting variables in your OS, loading them with .env, to spinning up virtual environments with venv, installing libraries, and even sharing your setup with the requirements.txt. Your challenge? Create a .env file with at least one variable. Then spin up a virtual environment, install a library, and run a script that uses it. Really want to test it? Try running that same script outside the environment. Watch the walls go up. Thanks for coming along on this journey, the full beginner to intermediate Python saga. I hope you learned a lot, built some cool stuff, and maybe broke a few things along the way. That's the point. Oh, and if you haven't noticed, there's a pull-up to vote on what you want to learn next. Take a second to vote. It helps me prepare the next series for you. I'll see you in the next dimension.